Hey everybody, welcome back to another edition of Crypto Educated. I'm the Crypto Kyle. Today we're going to go over Viral Crypto app. We're going to take a look at the website, what some of the functionalities on it are, look at what the utility looks like, and just get a little idea of how to use it right now. And we can even talk about maybe some of the things that are coming, as I know the team is doing a lot of updates to the website and improving functionalities along the way. So let's dive in. All right, so as you can see here, right on the homepage, viralcrypto.app, you've got a few options: mint, projects, profiles, chat, wallet, and some frequently asked questions. If you scroll along to the right, you can see that I am logged in, and then there's some other options right in there for you guys as well, which are the same as what we have along the top. Running through the page here, if you see the mint, it means this video came out just before the launch. So there is still an opportunity to get in on the pre-sale by minting that Sentinel. There is another full video on that. So if it's there and you want to get in on the pre-sale, pause this video, go watch the other one, and then come back and check this one out. Viralcrypto.app, what is it doing? Well, it's about connecting innovators and freelancers in the DeFi space. You can find pros and discover projects. If you are in the crypto space, you want to be setting up your profile. I mean, everybody should have a profile on here anyway, but you set up a profile, you might be asked to come work for other projects, or you can go find projects to potentially work in or get involved in as well. They're really great space for people to connect. What's really neat about how people connect on here is that you get to rate people. There's a ranking score for different projects, so you can leave the number of stars, you can write a review, and those projects will actually be attached to the people who run them. So they will build up a reputation. You can see how they've done in the past. You can see what their history is, so you know if you're getting into a good project or not. Really a lot of safety without having to necessarily dox yourself in the space if that's not what you want to do. Creating the space here for hosting projects, that kind of thing, a place to collaborate, learn new skills, interests, evaluate projects, all of that kind of thing. So really anybody in the DeFi space has a good reason to be on viralcrypto.app. Holding tokens will allow you to use the app with different levels of functionality, whether it be messaging or whatever it might be. I'm not 100% sure yet, but we know those things are coming. Why Viral Crypto app? The fundamentals, the safety that I talked about right there. Users connecting the platform via their secure Web3 Safe Connect, creating a profile, right? We talked about that. Your freelance network, all of those things, building that reputation, growing together, and privacy meeting publicity. So those are all the things that I think I kind of summed up for you guys all there, but interesting read if you want to dig into those. There is an onboarding ramp, which is kind of cool. If you're fairly new to crypto and you're coming into this DeFi space and you're seeing this and you're saying, hey, this looks like a great opportunity for me, I want to get in, there's an on-ramp here. So I'm not going to go through it today. It is fairly simple, a few different options of what you can buy. Even below, I know they have the Buy Viral token coming soon here. So it looks like you're going to be able to set up so you can have Ethereum, Binance, Poly, Avalanche, and all those kinds of things. You can see the charts are getting incorporated into the site, the Ether scan, all of those things. So that's great. Evolving partnerships here as well. They are focusing on NFTs. I believe an NFT marketplace might even be in the works with this community. So lots of stuff there. Place for artists and gamers to flourish. Join into the Telegram chats on Viral Crypto, and you will find that there's definitely news and some teasers out there about the things that are being worked on already. You can see here it runs through some of the popular projects, some of the featured profiles. I know Tala trying to build very cool stuff, Viral Crypto and Shiba. He's very actively involved, definitely a main leader on Shiba. So you can click on him. New name on the way. Cool. So if you want to connect with Tala, you can click on it. You can see what projects he's worked on, a little bit of background on him. They're adding to look A1 professionals and education philosophy majors wanting to revolutionize education. Cool, lots of stuff there. So there's all kinds of things that you can find out about people on here, what they're doing, what their history is. You can click send a message. So I'm gonna say, hi Tala, checking out the site. And then I'm gonna just send that. It gives me the alert that the message is sent. Pretty cool. I know you can go from there to connect to the chats, a couple of chat requests. So I've just started using this, getting rolling. Click click, you can check out the chat function. And I know this is going to be getting better and better as we go. They're doing many upgrades. Just a quick look at what we have there today. Finding your projects is going to be the same thing. You can get your pro verified projects, hiring and collaborating, or you can just kind of search by all projects. You can search by different chains. Really awesome stuff. Man, you can even get into breaking down to what the project features are. So if you're looking for anything specifically and you want to search it that way, you just click on it. You'll populate different things below. And this would be an individual dev. You can click on the project, get a little bit more information about what they are and all that kind of thing. So lots to dig into here, guys. Anything you want to find, you can definitely do it. Set up your own profile, right? If you want to be an admin in chats, if you want to focus on networking and getting more good information about the DeFi space, this is the place to come and do it. Launch is happening anytime now. Depending on when you're watching this, it may have already launched, but there is long-term utility built into here. I know they're talking about running a DAO system where the community can vote on different ways to monetize different things on the website, such as marketing, advertising space for other cryptocurrencies, and that sort of thing to drive revenue and more utility, which can go into a number of different things, including further development of the site, but also into buying and burning the actual token, creating a deflationary supply and increasing liquidity. So lots of things happening along the site, trying to focus on just what the actual functionality is too here. Earlier today, I was going through it a little bit before I started filming. When I went onto my wallet here, what I actually found was interesting. You see right here, caution. If you didn't buy a token, it may be a scam. It's really nice that it tells people that. A lot of people in this space don't understand that necessarily people can airdrop you tokens. If you start interacting with them, bad things can happen. What I thought was interesting is when I went on to my smart chain, my Binance smart chain, my BSC, and I clicked on tokens, I actually saw a bunch of stuff in here I did not recognize at all. So I'm going to point this out, and this is why this project is all about safety. It gives you this warning right here. Anytime you see that, take a look here. So I saw this here. Wow, $52,609. I got a lot of money I didn't know about. Well, that's actually not the case. I did not buy any of these tokens. I took it to Google over here, bsctoken.io. Google, very first thing that comes up, bsctoken.io, airdrop, latest scam drop info. Anything I didn't buy that's in here, I'm probably not even going to interact with it anyways. Honestly, just avoid it. Totally avoid it. But you can see here, right? So it's giving people those alerts on those types of things to avoid. So kudos to the team for developing this the way they did. When I'm in my Uniswap, I don't see that coin is in there, but the way Viral Crypto app is designed, they have all of these things, which is I think really cool to know. You have NFTs there as well, all of those things. There's also frequently asked questions on the page here, so really lots of stuff. I hope that was a nice quick overview. I'm really looking forward to all the updates that viralcrypto.app is going to be coming up with, improving their chat functions even more, all of these things. I'm very excited about the utility in the DeFi space of creating a safer area for investors, for people who run their projects to build their reputation. So if you want, create your profile, hit me up. I'm on there. Say hello. Let's connect, guys. Thanks for watching. Tune in again for another edition of Crypto Educated soon. Take care.